Hey guys, so we are trying to solve some of the problems of DP. Now we are going to solve this problem, number of distinct islands. Given a Boolean 2D matrix grid size n grams m, you have to find the number of distinct islands where group of connected ones horizontally or vertically forms an island. Two islands are considered to be distinct if and only if one island equal is not equal to the another. Got it. So number of distinct islands. We want number of distinct islands. Okay. So we have something like this. If you see, it is similar. So distinct island would be like one only. Here in this problem, if you see one, two, similar. So two, it is no, not similar. So one, two, three, three. So that is the problem. You have to get the distinct islands. Okay, so how to solve this problem? You may be asking how to solve this type of problems. So we will use a set only. Set is used for uh, getting the unique elements, and the size will give us the answer, number of unique stuffs that we have in the set. So how to see that two stuff are same or not? How to get that? So that is the main thing. How are you going to push that element to the set such that they are similar? So that is the problem we have, and we have to uh, get into like how to solve this. Okay, 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay. So if you see, we have something like this, something like this, something like this, and something like this. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. This is the stuff. So we need to push into the set, and it should be similar. So if you number it 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4, so we have 0 0, we have 0 1, we have similar fashion like BFS or DFS. You choose. Okay, I will use DFS because writing it is easier to write, but we in the BFS we will use Q and all, which is very much time consuming. So I'll use DFS now. Okay, so we have all the this. Okay, okay, yeah. So 0 0, sorry, 0 0 0 1 1 0. So stuff. Now, how to get this also similar? So what we have, if you see, we have, no, it is not similar. We will have different one. So if you see 0 3, okay, 0 4, yeah, and in the next in the last row, if you see 3 0 and 3 1, is the two stuff we have. Okay, 3 0 and 3 1. Okay, might be you are not able to see now. Can see. Okay, uh, lighting is not good, doesn't matter. Let's understand how we can make these two similar. We can have a base, like let's take this as base. Okay, 0 3. So minus with that only, then what would happen? It would become 0 0, and it would minus 0 3 to this, it would become 0 1. similar if you do this. It is also be 0 0, and if we do this it is also be similar, so we get the same result. So we are going to minus it with the basis, like the starting point we have. Okay, pretty similar. So matlab, it's not similar, like it is good. We can solve this. So int n equals to, now you I have told you the concept. Now I will just code it faster. Okay, now what do you do? We will um loop only and get the first one, and then we should start DFS algorithm, and we have to mark it as we need a visited array also, and we have to get the set also. Yeah, yeah, we need a set and a visited array. Visitor, we have to mark it as, obviously, I think visited, and then mark it as visited. Yeah, so mark it as visited. Then we also have to push that into our set. So we need a set also. So we need a set which will store vector of pair of increment. Yeah, let's call it S. And we need a vector. Yeah, we need a vector. I don't think we need a visited vector. Rather, we'll need a vec which will be used as storing, like the vector of pair of parent, and we'll use the vector and then store that vector into our, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't think we need to use visited. Yeah, so we were, yeah, we need a visited array. Hmm. 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 We do require the x0 as well as x0 as well as y0. We require that. Without that, it is not possible. Okay, I think so. Uh, we do require that, so I think we have to pass the I. Again, we just make it x0 and y0, and yeah, I think now it is possible. Just I minus x0, j minus y0. Hopefully, it will work. Nah, what was? No, bro. Though it doesn't seem like that. I will y0, y0. Hopefully now it will work. Uh, to return something, return s dot size. Let's see what it does. Uh, it is not okay. We haven't pushed it anyways. So if you see, we are moving in all the directions. When should we push the like vector? I think, yeah, after getting the vector s dot push vector, I think this would work. This would be the uh, right thing to do. We don't need to pass it. Rather, yeah, we don't need to pass this. Okay, where is it? Good. Here it is. Don't need this. Okay. Return something something. But don't no don't blah blah blah. What? DFS, BFS, DFS, BFS, DFS, BFS, DFS. It's not sounding. What? 30? here. I don't know. Oh my God. Let's check it out. Where is the error? Acha. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Insert. Acha. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So, see, pretty simple. It should be insert. And also, if you see the vector is changing now continuously. So you have to make a vector here. That is vector is made here, and so that it can be used lots of times without any error. Okay, can be used. Can see. Yeah, so pretty nice. Hope you like this video. Hope you understood the video. That is more important. And it is a pretty nice topic, conceptual topic. Like what we have done. We have by minusing with base, we have tried to make it similar. And if it is made similar, if you see, I will show you the whole code. Just go through it again. We'll see it. See, n and m, pretty simple. No problem with this. Made a vector of pair that which will be stored. Just you, that is the problem, that you have to make it as such that they are similar. They're similar. If they're not, it will be different. You have to make this. By how? We're just minusing with that value, the base value. That makes it what we needed. We have used a DFS algorithm, obviously. First, we need a pair and this thing, okay? Pretty similar to the previous problems that we have done, and also this thing. Then we have made DFS directions, made it visited, made like this thing. We have minus it with the like the base, just starting ones, okay. And then we have moved to all the directions, possible direction. If this one, then we have called it again, and the vector is made. Then we have inserted it here, and the insert function you should remember. Well, you have got it. Not a very hard task to solve this type of problems. Just you have to be conceptually correct and uh, know stuff that unique elements set we're gonna use some things that this. Remember some patterns. Patterns does help you to see if someone which doesn't have do not know about graphs, we do not know about DFS, BFS algorithms, how are they going to be solving this? There is not possible. It is not possible for them to solve this type of problems. They should know stuffs. Then only they can solve this type of problems. Yeah, you know DFS algorithm. You should know. Then small bricks make a big building. Not like you just came and you were telling that you are you need to you want to you want to become a coder, like you just came and no, can't be. Takes time. It will be lot of time. It will take time. If you can uh write small stuffs first, it would be very hard, then medium hard, then it will be very easier for you to solve until unless you know the stuff. See, anything, it's not coming out of the boxes. Most of the stuff require you to understand the basic stuff, like the building blocks, like can build a lots of things, but you need some stuff inside of you to make a bigger, like a stronger building base. That is called base. If you haven't known what is set what is something, you will not get it. If it is the first video for you, then you will not get it. Now it is hardest for you. Hope you like this video. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment.